all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello and welcome to News 9 Digital with me, Adarsh Vempachedu. The hunt for a vaccine for coronavirus is on across the world through the various human clinical trials that are underway for several vaccines. Here in India as well, preparations are underway for phase 2 and 3 clinical trials of Oxford vaccine Covishield. In this News 9 Explainer, I will be speaking to you all you need to know about the Covishield vaccine coming in from Oxford University, the kind of price point, the dosage that may be required, and how the vaccine is doing at this point in time. We'll also speak about the clinical trials that will get underway in the country. So the CDSCO, which is the Center for Drug Standard Control Organization, has advised the Serum Institute of India to submit a revised protocol when it comes to how exactly will these phase 2 and 3 clinical trials be conducted. So details have been sought pertaining to the clinical trials, and also additional information has been sought. So the Serum Institute of India has has submitted a revised protocol to the DCGI as well, and there has been a recommendation in front of the SII, that is the Serum Institute of India, that the proposed clinical trial sites be distributed across the length and breadth of the country. And let us now speak to you about what this COVID-19 vaccine is all about. It's coming in from Oxford University and it's called Covishield. The SII, that is the Serum Institute of India, has partnered with British-Swedish firm AstraZeneca for the manufacture of this very vaccine right here in the country. And when it comes to how these phase 2 and 3 trials will be conducted, they're essentially observer blind randomized control study, in the sense that there will be a certain party that will be knowing as to what kind of a drug, or whether it is really placebo or whether it is the actual vaccine that is being administered to that particular person. And when it comes to how the study is going on, when it comes to how the clinical trials are going on, remember it is the phase 2 and phase 3 clinical trials that will get underway by the month of August here in India. But phase 1 has already been completed. It was underway a while ago. And the Oxford University has said that the clinical trials for phase 1 have been satisfactory, and that the progress for the vaccine is also looking good at the moment. Now, when it comes to the price point of this very vaccine, Aditya Poonawalla has said that the price point for Covishield right here in the country will be put below the 1,000 rupees mark, and he's however said that it is too early to really come to a consensus and announce the price point at this point in time. Now, that apart, when you look at the amount of dosage that may be required, it is also being said that one dose of Covishield may not be enough, so you may need to take 2 or more than 2 doses, which essentially means 2,000 or anywhere more than 2,000 rupees that each individual may have to shell out to really obtain this Covishield vaccine. So that's where things stand when it comes to where the vaccine really is and how early will it be out. Yes, at this point in time, August is the month that the researchers and the scientists, the companies are gunning for when it comes to the commencement of phase 2 and 3 trials. One really hopes that the vaccine is here with us at the earliest. If you've liked the information that I've shared with you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to News 9 on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Many thanks for joining us.